Everything that we see thus far in our society that is being done, there was a door opened by an Afro-American Muslim. The essence of Islam then is a lot more than it is now.
Peace out. You gotta get the halal cart, Sheikh. Open. MashaAllah, man.
Everything that they learned about Islam, it was all wajib. This is what we doing and this is what we not doing.
There was an energy and a love for Islam.
If the Muslim community said, we don't want gambling, we don't want alcohol, you could really make Philadelphia a dry city if you want.
There was a standard that was maintained. There was a pride that was had.
I've been in hijab since I was 4. My mother tells the story, she says, I was not arguing with no 12-year-old about no khimar.
Seeing the conviction that we who were raised in this society had.
To believe in the oneness of Allah, in His Lordship.
He said, you want to work for me? He said, you got to pray Fajr in the masjid.
We came through the civil rights and all the different discriminations and so forth, and the people were unafraid.
Being at college, going away to school was the hardest strain on my deen. Living in that environment, the people around me found out I never was drunk, I never was high. And they were like, what? This is part of the culture.
A lot of people who were teasing us about being Muslim, they Muslim now.
Islam has been in Philadelphia specifically for quite some time. We have 4 generations standing.
And we are seeing generational Islam dissipate because people are taking it for granted.
Orthodox Islam, Sunni Islam has been in existence here since 1938, and probably before that. And because we haven't realized ourselves, other people don't realize us. We don't know our own history.
We actually had hearings where we had to go and advocate and try to get permission. Can you wear hijab in schools?
Before 9/11, people saw me as black first. After 9/11, because of the hijab, they see you as Muslim first.
A lot of what we've gone through and what we've established and the blood and sweat and tears that have been placed in the ground for other people to come here and do what they're doing with ease, there were people that put work in before that.
They poured into the community with the majority of their time. We can continue on the good things that they laid down.
The Universal Plan includes total concentration on education and economic development. We believe at Universal that when people know better, they do better.
For the Muslims to realize that we should be in the front of a lot of the things that need to be taken care of.
It's time for us to recognize ourselves so that we can now actualize what it is that we have a hand in doing.
Don't call me Joe, don't call me Jay. My name is Jihad Ahmed.
Everything that we see thus far in our society that is being done, there was a door opened by an Afro-American Muslim, period.